Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to protect your conditional formatting rules in Excel. Short, engaging intro music with Rome Tech logo. I'm your host, your name, and in this video, we're going to walk you through a few different ways to prevent accidental changes to your meticulously crafted conditional formatting. Let's face it, accidentally deleting or altering those rules can be a real pain, especially when you've spent a lot of time setting them up. We'll cover a couple of key methods. First, we'll look at using Excel's protection features, including sheet protection and workbook protection. Then, we'll explore a VBA macro solution for more robust protection. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge you need to safeguard your conditional formatting from accidental edits and keep your spreadsheets looking exactly as you intended. Before we dive in, if you're finding our content helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the Rome Tech channel for more Excel tips and tricks. We upload new videos every week. Short screen recording displaying a spreadsheet with conditional formatting. Alright, let's get started. Begin demonstrating method 1, sheet protection. Okay, so first, let's look at the easiest way, using sheet protection. Notice how I have this spreadsheet here with some pretty simple conditional formatting highlighting the highest sales figures. Now, what we want to do is prevent someone from accidentally messing with these rules. Go to the Review tab on the ribbon. Then click on Protect Sheet. Highlight the Review tab and Protect Sheet button. You'll see a dialog box pop up. Now, a very important thing to note is what you're actually allowing the user to do. By default, options like Select Locked Cells and Select Unlocked Cells are checked. Leave those checked. But scroll down. You'll see a whole bunch of other options. Show the scroll bar and options. Uncheck Format Cells and Format Columns and Format Rows. By unchecking these options, we're preventing users from changing the formatting of the cells, which includes accidentally modifying or deleting our conditional formatting rules. Uncheck the specified options. Enter a password if you want. Make sure you remember it. If you forget it, you're going to have a hard time getting back in. For this example, I'm going to leave the password blank. Explain the password option. Click OK. Now, try to edit the conditional formatting. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. See? You get a message saying the cell or chart you are trying to change is protected and therefore read-only. Demonstrate attempting to manage rules and showing the error message. Success! Your conditional formatting is now protected from accidental changes. Begin demonstrating how to unprotect the sheet. To unprotect the sheet, go back to the Review tab, and now the button will say Unprotect Sheet. Click it. If you set a password, you'll need to enter it. Otherwise, the sheet is unprotected immediately. Now, you can manage your conditional formatting again. Demonstrate unprotecting the sheet. Begin demonstrating method 2, VBA macro protection. Now, let's say you need something a little more robust. Sheet protection is good, but someone who knows Excel well enough can sometimes bypass it. Let's use a VBA macro. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor.
Show pressing Alt plus F11.
In the VBA editor, go to Insert, and then Module. Highlight Insert, then Module. Now, paste the following code into the module.
VBA. Private sub workbook-sheet change, by val sh à object, by val target arrange.
Application enable events equals false. On error resume next. Replace sheet 1 with the actual name of your sheet. If sh.name equals sheet 1 then. Check if conditional formatting rules have been changed or deleted. For each CF in sh used range.format conditions. If CF is nothing then. Message box conditional formatting rule has been changed. VB critical. Optional. Restore the rule from a backup. Example, sh, range, A1 format conditions. Add type, equals Excel expression, formula 1, equals A110.
Exit sub.
End if. Next CF. End if. On error go to 0. Application enable events equals true. End sub. Slowly display the VBA code for the viewer to copy, and explain it line by line. Emphasize the importance of changing sheet 1 to the correct sheet name.
Okay, let's break this down.
This VBA code uses the workbook_sheet change event, which means it runs every time a change is made to any sheet in the workbook. We're specifically targeting Sheet 1. Remember to change this to the actual name of the sheet where your conditional formatting is. The code then loops through all the conditional formatting rules in the used range of the sheet. If a rule is missing or has been altered, it displays a message box. Explain the potential for restoring the rule from a backup. We've also included a commented out section that shows how you could potentially restore the conditional formatting rule from a backup. This is a more advanced step, and you'd need to customize it based on your specific rule. The application enable events equals false and application enable events equals true lines prevent the code from triggering itself repeatedly. Close the VBA editor and save your Excel file as a macro-enabled workbook, XLSM. Demonstrate saving the file as .xlsm. Now, try changing or deleting a conditional formatting rule on Sheet 1. You should see the message box appear. Demonstrate attempting to change the rules and showing the message box. This VBA method provides a more proactive defense against accidental changes. Summary and conclusion. So there you have it. 2 ways to protect your conditional formatting rules in Excel. We covered sheet protection, which is simple and effective for basic protection, and a VBA macro, which offers more robust protection against accidental or intentional alterations. Remember to choose the method that best suits your needs and your level of Excel expertise. If you're working with sensitive data or complex conditional formatting rules, the VBA method might be the better option. That wraps up today's Rome Tech video. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below what other Excel topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Outro musique with Rome Tech logo and social media links.